Hello. Today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Hyako R1 Deep Tissue Vibrating Muscle Massager. It's an handheld, cordless massager for all body relief, for muscle pain and fascial binding. Trigger point therapy. This is a nice massage tool. They're really cool. This is extremely powerful because the Hyako R1 comes with 5 speeds, 5,500 up to 7,000 rounds per minute. That's 3 up to 5 times faster than percussion massage guns out there. It produces approximately 120 short strokes per second. High-speed vibration therapy quickly alleviates the muscle pain and muscle leg cramps. Several pain caused by muscle adhesions and scar tissues. If you are a professional healthcare provider, PT or chiropractor, this will be our best massage tool. At all time. And it's really versatile to use. The Hyako high-speed vibration massager is decked out with 4 specialized attachments, thus making it our go-to for muscle therapy. It's equipped with a flat head for easy enter tendons and soft tissues, a bullet head perfect for targeting small muscle knots, deep tissues and trigger points, a silicone head designed for gently relaxing sensitive muscles, and a cushion cap that's ideal for massaging large muscle areas across almost any part of the body. And precision direction. The Hyako professional massager combines high speed and short stroke features with very low energy transmission loss. It can provide a large amount of precision targeted energy beneficial for a quick release of neck and back muscle soreness and muscle cramps after intense exercises or long period of work. The lightweight and portable massager is the ideal choice for physical therapists, physiotherapists, or chiropractic masseurs. And vibration is superior to the percussion. As the vibration frequency increases, it helps to release tightness, helps to break up adherent tissues, promotes cardio releases, and helps with the scar management to some extent. Furthermore, the Hyako professional massager will vibrate in high intervals in the small, hard-to-reach sensitive areas, like the wrist, the ankle, the knees, etc., without the excess jackhammering abuse and trusted leather. There is a leader on the market. That's Hyako's mission. To relax our back, legs, and arms and feet, so that we can sleep much better. The product they have developed have highly trusted by health entities and healthcare professionals, as well as the office elite. The Hyako R1 high-speed vibration therapy method is ideal for daily use, and it makes cordless 120 strokes per second, 3 up to 5 times faster than precaution, lightweight and ergonomic liner design, and of course fast using. We have the silicone tip. It's super for sensitive muscle relaxation. We have the flat head, tendons and soft tissues. We have the ball head for large muscle groups like quads, glutes, extreme muscles, and for joint soreness. We have the bullet tip for small muscle groups, deep tissues, and tension points. And we have the buffer cap for the target large muscle group and virtually all body parts. That means we can increase the range of motion in legs, calves, knees, shoulders, hands, and body while releasing the tension. Dynamic therapy targeted release combination, a back massager, a leg massager, and a neck massager in one device. Top professional athletes use the R1 therapy for dynamic therapy. 3 efficient and comfortable relief from the body pressures is ideal for daily wear and tear or post-exercise recovery too. So you can use it for really cool stuff here. And we must be careful around the neck area in the opinion, and also for acute patients. We do recommend it, of course, the caution when applying over bony premises and in areas where the nerve is very palpable to close to the bone, such as the posterior elbow or front of the wrist. It's in, say, carpal tunnel syndrome, for example. And it advises us to not to use this tool in areas unconfirmed malignancies, cancer, or even, of course, undiagnosed tumor areas. But every time, though, it will help us to make a better life with a high-speed vibration therapy suitable for home and professional institutions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.